Are you struggling to get views, engagement, and sales on social media? You're posting, but nothing seems to work? What if I told you there's a simple way to attract the right audience, even with a small following? Stick around because I'm going to show you. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing. If you've been frustrated with social media, posting but getting little to no results, you're not alone. The truth is, most people are focusing on the wrong thing. You see, check this out. Likes and followers, they don't pay the bills. What you need is content that actually attracts buyers and then turns them into income. In this video, we'll break down exactly what kind of content, how to create content that's going to attract and get engagement that'll drive sales, even if you don't have a big audience. Stick with me because by the end, you'll have a clear strategy to make social media work for you. Also, make sure that you smash that like button. Drop me a comment down below and let me know which is the main social media platform that you're currently using that you're having the most, the most problems or difficulty with, that's frustrating you the most. And if you like this type of content on digital marketing, digital products, make sure you click subscribe as well for further videos that I consistently put out in regards to this. So let's dive in now. Step number 1 is you need to shift your focus. You need to shift your focus from likes to buyers. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is they keep on creating content just for engagement instead of conversion into buyers or buyers into sales. You don't need 1 million followers to make money. You need the right audience. This means shifting your vanity metrics like likes and comments and followers and shares, all that sort of stuff. That's vanity metrics. Shifting from vanity metrics over to attracting potential buyers. Think about it. Think about it this way. Would you rather have 10,000 followers, random followers who never buy anything, or 1,000 engaged people who are actually interested in what you have to say? So here's some action that you can take on this. Number 1, define your ideal customer. Who are they? What do they need? What are their problems? What problems are they facing? Problems that you can provide solutions for. And then create content that speaks directly to them. Okay, number 2, master the art of CTA and hooks. CTA is call to action. Master your CTAs and master your hooks. If people aren't stopping to watch your content, stop the scroll. If people aren't stopping to watch your content, they'll never engage or buy. That's where your hook comes in. That's your first 3 to 5 seconds of your video. Well, depending what platform you're using too. If it's TikTok, it's not even a second. With YouTube, well, you got a couple more seconds there, right? It also means get to the point right away, right? So here's an example. Instead of, hey everyone, I just made a new course. Boring. Try this. You're struggling to get views and sales, right? Here's how to fix it. See the difference? One's vague and the other calls out a specific problem. And don't forget your call to action. CTA. Tell people exactly what to do. Comment below if you need help. DM me the word help for a free guide. Check the link in my bio or my description. See, a strong hook grabs attention and a CTA moves them towards action. Okay, here's an action tip. Here's something you can put to action here with this right now. Use my social media playbook. It's in my marketing bundle. It has 100 proven hooks and CTAs to boost your engagement and sales instantly. Down below in the description, grab that marketing bundle so that you could use the social media playbook. Get it? Catch it? Okay, step number 3. Create the right content. Not all content is created equal. If you're only posting random stuff, your audience isn't going to get the idea of what it is that you do. You need to focus on 3 types of content. Number 1, value content. Teach something helpful. Example, 3 mistakes that are killing your engagement. Number 2, authority content. Show your expertise. Example, how I got my first 10 sales. And then number 3, engagement content. Encourage interaction. Example, what's your biggest struggle with social media? Post it in the comments down below. So when you rotate between these 3, you start to position yourself as an expert while keeping your audience engaged. Here's an action that you can do, something that you can do right now in regards to this step. Follow my 90-day content creation plan. Follow the 90 days of content ideas that's laid out in my marketing bundle. It lays out exactly what type of videos, what type of content that you should be creating every single day for 90 days. The right type of content to attract the right type of people. Okay, now step number 4, leverage TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Short form content is still king right now. If you're not using TikTok and Instagram Reels short form content or YouTube Shorts, you're missing out on free organic traffic. These platforms push short form content out to their databases, out to their audience, out to their users daily, which means you don't need a huge following to start off with. They give you that audience right away when you're creating that short form content. All right. So here's some action that you can take on this right now. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week, creating short form content on these platforms. You know, ideally you should be doing like 1 or 2 short form videos daily on TikTok or Instagram Reels. You could even repurpose content, right? Repurpose content that is on your TikTok over on your Instagram Reels, over onto YouTube Shorts. Repurpose around the several or the few different platforms that you're focusing on. Keep your videos under 60 seconds, up to a minute and a half, between 45 seconds and a minute and a half. Keep them to very short videos and include a strong hook and a CTA. All right, hook the people and give them a call to action. And then step number 5, monetize your social media the right way or a smart way. What do I mean by this? It means your content should naturally lead people to an offer, whether it's an affiliate link, a digital product, or coaching, or a course. Now, here's how to do it. Number 1, build an email list. Use a freebie, like a checklist, a guide, right? I got a checklist. I got a guide. I have a guide down below in the description of this video. You can go check that out. It's a free guide for digital products, digital product formula. It's a free guide. You can grab it. You can check it out. It's an example, right? But you want to collect emails. You want to build a list is what you want to do. All right. Number 2, promote your offer. Mention your product in your posts, in your videos, in the content that you're creating. Mention your product. And number 3, use DMs. Now, I don't mean sending cold DMs. But I mean having conversations with people in DMs that you know, people that are reaching out to you. That's what you can be doing. Build the relationship through DMs. The key here is that you want to provide value and give the value first, which will then lead people to the solution. Now, the action that you need to take on this one here is to get my marketing bundle down below in the description. If you need any help with this, you need some strategy, I'm there to help you. I'll lead you. I'll walk you through this. I'll coach you through this. But you need to grab my marketing bundle so that you can work out the strategy on actually, laying this all out and walking through this whole strategy. And that strategy is laid out for you all throughout the marketing bundle. That way you don't have to guess. There's no guessing involved anymore. Just follow the process. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to get more views and sales using social media, even with a small following. And if you're serious about growing your business, growing and selling digital products online, whether you're a beginner or not, right? Grab the social media, grab the marketing bundle down below in the description so that you've got the strategy laid out for you. And if you found any value at all in this content, you know what to do. You know what? I appreciate it if you did, but smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed for more videos like this in the future. And in the meantime, YouTube right now, I believe, is recommending this video right here. It says this is the one that's going to interest you. So check out this video. I'll see you there. I'll see you over there. And in the meantime, you have a great day. Bye for now.